Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kori Nicole. Make sure you subscribe down below. So today we're going to be actually mixing some lip gloss and I'm using my Get Suckered flavors today. You guys know I love Get Suckered. So I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of how we mix lip gloss on days when we're working on orders, wholesale orders, container orders, all of that good stuff. So if you're interested in this video, just go ahead and stay tuned. Keep watching. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you like it, and let's go ahead and get into this gloss. So we use the Get Puckered gloss base, and yes, we actually use it, you can see, and we're taking our scale because we like to use a scale to weigh all of our lip gloss. That's how we measure and make sure that we are always getting the formula correct. So my mom likes to put the gloss base in first, obviously, and then we're going to go in with the oil and then the pigment. So if you guys are looking for a gloss formula, go ahead and check out my video on how to make lip gloss with the formula included. I'm not giving a specific formula in this video, but I do have a video with the formula if you guys are looking for that. So I will have that linked up above in the cards and also down below in the description box. So we're moving into oil now. We're gonna go ahead and take our pigment. I love that we organized all of our pigments in these containers with the names on it. So today we are making Moon from my Wholesale collection. If you guys haven't seen the video of me organizing the pigments, make sure you check that out as well. I just love the fact that everything now has a label and it's just super easy to find and reach. And here we go, mixing, mixing, mixing. Now I was gonna speed this part up, but I decided to leave it in real time so that you guys can see how long it actually takes to mix. And even after this, like, I still went in and mixed it some more. So take your time with mixing. You don't have to rush. You want to make sure that everything is fully incorporated, evenly distributed, all of that. You want to make sure that your lip gloss is really smooth. And then after a little bit of mixing, that's when we like to go in with our Get Suckered flavor. So today we are using watermelon. Wow, for Moon, I love watermelon, you guys. It smells so good. We like to use 1 ml pipettes for our flavorings, and this was a larger batch of gloss right here. Usually you would only need a few drops if you're only making a small batch. So more mixing after the flavoring goes in, and then I filled up the tubes of Moon for the order that we were working on. So up next, we're making a smaller batch of gloss and we're using grapeseed oil this time. So yes, I do offer coconut oil and grapeseed oil gloss on my site for wholesale, and we are using Pink Gold Shift, one of my favorites, one of y'all's favorites too. This is a super popular pigment on my website. So as you can see, we're using less pigment and we're using Get Suckered Pink Lemonade this time, and we're only putting in a few drops because this is for a small batch of gloss. So here we go, our favorite part, mix, 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 and we just keep mixing until everything is fully incorporated. had a lot of fun filming these clips for you guys while we were actually working and filling orders. I always miss out on opportunities like this because I'm so busy, but I have to be more on top of my game, okay? I also was able to record a TikTok for another order that we were working on where I used this beautiful pink holographic glitter. Make sure you guys are following me on TikTok because we have awesome content over there as well. So yes, this was the order that we were working on. They were squeeze wands and they are beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video of making lip gloss with me and mommy on a regular work day. Let me know in the comments down below if you want more videos like this. Like I said, I had so much fun doing this and I do not mind filming while I am at work working on orders. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for shopping. Thank you guys for supporting me. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.